Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate a PDF with text and bubble using the PDF Conjurer Pro plugin. This is perfect for things like reports, invoices, summaries, or any type of structured document you want to generate dynamically. And in this tutorial, we'll specifically be working with the server-side workflow actions provided by the plugin. Let's get started. First, we'll install the plugin. So open your Bubble application. On the left side, click on Plugins, then click Add Plugins. In the search bar, type PDF Conjurer Pro. Once it appears, install the plugin. After installation, you'll see it in your plugin list. Now let's move over to the Design tab. Step 1, add the plugin element. On the Design tab, search for the PDF model element. Drag it onto your page. This element works in the background and handles the PDF generation process. Step 2, add a button to trigger the workflow. Now on my page here, I already have a button called a simple PDF. This is the button we're going to use to start our PDF workflow. So if you don't already have one, go ahead and add a button to your page and label it something similar. Once that's done, click the button and start a workflow. Step 3. Initialize the PDF document. Now that we're in the Workflow tab, click Add an Action, go to Plugins, and select Initialize PDF Document. This will always be the first action because every other PDF action depends on it. Step 4, add text on PDF. Now let's add the actual content into the PDF. Add another action called Add Text on PDF. For the first field, pass the result from the previous step, which is the Initialize PDF document action. Then enter the text you want inside the PDF. For example, hello, this is my first generated PDF in Bubble. Now you'll also notice there are additional settings you can configure here. For example, you can set margins, page breaks, column width, font size. You can explore those settings further depending on the type of PDF you want to create. Step 5, conjure the PDF. Now we're ready to generate the actual PDF file. Add another action called Conjure PDF. Again, pass the result from the previous step, then configure your file settings. Set your file name. Step 6, upload the PDF. Now after generating the PDF, we'll upload it. Add another action called Upload PDF. Here, for the file name and content, we'll pass the result from the previous Conjure PDF step. For file name, we'll use the previous step file name, and for content, we'll use the previous step content. To get your upload file URL, you'll need to create a Backend API workflow in Bubble. Go to Backend Workflows tab, then create a new API workflow called Uploader. Inside the workflow settings, check Expose as a public API workflow, then set authentication to none required. Set trigger workflow with to post, then under parameter definition, choose Detect Request Data. You should see a URL, which you will then use as your upload file URL, then remove the initialize at the end of the URL before pasting it. Click Preview, then click the Simple PDF button. This will trigger the workflow, generate the PDF on the server side, and upload the final file based on the settings we configured. You should now see your generated PDF successfully created and available for use. On the preview page, you could see I had a link to access the PDF file. Let's walk through how to get that. So if you look at my workflow here, after the upload PDF action, I'm setting a custom state on the page. Now let's go back to the Design tab. You can see I already have a custom states here for link on your page. Add a custom state and name the state. Link set the type to text. Now that the state is ready, let's go back into the workflow. After the upload PDF action, set the state of the page and use the link custom state to store the link, which we will get from the previous step. Now back on the design page, I already have a group that holds the PDF link. Inside that group, I'm referencing the custom state we just created. And finally, I added a condition that says, when page's link is not empty then, this group element is visible. So once the upload is complete and the link exists, the group automatically becomes visible and displays the uploaded PDF link. And that's it. You've successfully generated and uploaded a text-based PDF in Bubble using PDF Conjurer Pro. From here, you can expand your workflows further by adding tables, images, headers, QR codes, watermarks, or even more advanced PDF layouts. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out via the chatbot on the Zero Code website or by email at support@zerocode.com.